Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix your TradingView logging problem. There may be a lot of variety of reasons why you're experiencing TradingView lagging. First, you want to clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser to free up memory. After that, check your internet connection. Switch to a wired connection if possible for more stability. Reduce the of number of indicators, showing tools, or open charts on your layout. Since too many can slow performance, you can also enable your trading views light mode and the settings to optimize speed. Finally, make sure your browser and graphics drivers are up to date or try a different browser if the problem still persists. Following these steps should make your charts run more smoother.